Good afternoon, everybody. I'm putting up some tin on the Guinea's enclosure. I had some spare tin that I got when I did the carport, and that way they can have a more weather tight so they don't get wet when it rains. Plus, with a little bit of slope that we got, you might even be able to catch some rainwater. So, you guys enjoy your day. Of course, when you decide to start putting tin up, the wind starts blowing. Welcome to sunny Arizona, folks.
Our rescue dog Blue, she got her stitches out today, so she's enjoying the sun and sleeping. She was a really good girl going to the vet. Way to go, Blue. Well, we've done putting the roof on the Guinea's enclosure. We made this small enclosure so that they would have some shelter at night, because we do have coyotes out here. So here's a tin on their part of the A-frame, and we put a little branch, one of the mesquite branches. We gave them their own little post to roost in here, and right next to them they're sheltered from the other side with our blackberries. And here's their little A-frame hut. We still have to finish caulking it and making it rainproof, but this is their little enclosure, and they have pavers on this side so we can have their water and feed up here without it getting too muddy. And this is what it looks like. The run is right adjacent to the chicken run. Work in progress. This is going to be our new garden area that we've fenced off with some netting. And we had a spare greenhouse frame. So we are going to utilize that and put some net over it and grow some cucumbers in one of the sections. And then this will be the new strawberry bed. And then we're going to rototill the back end of it and make some rows for some veggies. Stay tuned.